Here are some fascinating insights into the human psyche that can impact all of us. Conformity to the crowd. Did you know that people have a natural inclination to conform to the norms and expectations of their social group? This is known as social conformity. Understanding others. Have you ever made assumptions about someone's behavior without considering external factors? The fundamental attribution error highlights our tendency to overlook situational factors and instead attribute behavior to internal dispositions. Self-esteem. High self-esteem can lead to increased happiness and better mental health, but be careful not to take it too far. An excessive sense of self-importance can result in narcissistic personality disorder. Emotional intelligence. Our emotions can be greatly influenced by our thoughts and perspectives, a process called cognitive reappraisal. Like attracts like. Do you find yourself drawn to people who are similar to you? This is known as the similarity attraction hypothesis, and it suggests that we tend to form connections with those who share our values and interests. Social connection. Humans have a deep-seated need for social connection and belonging. This is why social rejection can be such a painful experience. Early experiences shape our beliefs. Our early life experiences and childhood environments play a significant role in shaping our beliefs and attitudes. Wired for patterns. The human brain is wired to recognize patterns, but this can sometimes lead to false beliefs and illusory correlations. The power of belief. The placebo effect demonstrates how our beliefs and thoughts can impact our physical health and well-being. Confirming our beliefs. People tend to seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs, a bias known as confirmation bias. That's it for now. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification tab, so you don't miss out on a single episode. See you next time.